Hello everyone, welcome to this quick review versus Wise versus Airwallex. Which one is a better payment processor for you? So let's get started. I'm here on Wise blog and basically I will just go over it and tell you my opinions on what do I think which one is better. So as you know, Airwallex is a multinational fintech company that was established in 2015 in Australia. Although an Australian-based company, Airwallex now has offices across 11 countries and offer customers online multi-currency business account, right? On the other hand, Wise is formerly known as TransferWise, is a global fintech company as well, founded in 2011, which gives Wise a little bit of a win here, just because they are here longer periods of times than Airwallex, right? And they're here for a long time, right? It also provides online money transfer services, just like Airwallex, as I said, right? As you can see, here is a comparison, right? What are their main business features? Now, as you can see, ability to sign up online. Both of them have that. Domestic and international account details. Yes, account details in 11 currencies, and Wise has in 10 currencies, which is still pretty good. They both have foreign exchange services. They both have virtual company cards and physical employee cards that can be created, right? Now, both a physical card and virtual card, as I mentioned, they both have online payments and API integrations. Obviously, they have all API integrations right here. And mobile web app and direct debits, recurring payments, they both have that. So, business versus Wise business, the fees. Now, obviously, here are some of the fees you can see, right? Airwallex, they have free fees, which is great. Wise, on the other hand, has two options: free account option for sending money or one-time $22 setup fee to get local account details. Account maintenance fee is none. Domestic transfer fee is free, but for TransferWise is a flat fee of 0.57 Australian dollars. International transfers, you can see they have free. So on this side, I would say Airwallex wins this just because of the fees. I can already see that. Now, exchange rates used, obviously, Airwallex is using interbank rate with margin of 0.3% to 0.6%, while Wise, on the other hand, has no margin and is fixed rate based on the mid-market rate, like the one you see on Google. Now, accepted money transfer, pay-in and payout methods. Now, Airwallex, as you can see, what they have and what the Wise has. So Airwallex actually has a lot more offers right here, and a lot more to offer when it comes to money transfers. Then Airwallex business versus Wise business. Here are some of the supported currencies. Airwallex has a much more currencies actually to offer, as you can see, and currencies are supported to send and convert in 150 countries in 40 currencies, which is amazing. So Airwallex has a lot to offer right here. Now, let's scroll down and let's see basically the pros and the cons. So Airwallex it's easy to set up with quick account verification and turnaround times of 1 to 3 business days. It's free transfers within Airwallex payment network and low $10 fee for Swift transfers, which is great. It also has mobile and web app, just like Wise. Now, cons are physical cards cannot be used in ATMs for cash withdrawal. This is a huge con, guys. Wise has this available, which is really great. And online payment methods from connected websites incur an extra set of fees, which is between 2 to 4%. Now, currency conversion margin fees based on currency being sent, as you can see right here. Now, some of the pros for Wise is no margins or commission taken on currency conversions and upfront pricing on transfers. Obviously, physical cards available for use in ATMs worldwide. Can use Wise as a personal or business customer to make international transfers. Both of them have API integrations, right? Now, here are some of the cons. Fees associated with holding amounts over $23,000, right? There are a lot of fees. Cannot pay in or pay out with physical cash, meaning transfers are purely electronic based, and verifications to open a Wise business account can take 4 to 7 business days. Now, what I would say here is Airwallex has a lot more to offer, but Wise has the ATM worldwide withdrawals, which is really great. I would say Airwallex wins this just by a tiny bit. Obviously, comment down below which one do you think wins this battle. I would say Airwallex because it is regulated globally and meeting a specific requirements, as you can see. Now, definitely comment down below what do you think, which one wins. So Subscribe to this channel for more, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.